Hi, we are going on with the second part of the first lesson in our supplementary reader, A Triumph of Surgery. Hope you remember where we have stopped the class. When Dr. James Harriot took the little dog covered in a blanket into his car, he could see a lot of servants and Mrs. Pumphrey taking the belongings of Tricky into his car. It included his jackets for different climates, his breakfast bowl, his lunch bowl, his dinner bowl, and many more things, including his toys. Once, when James Harriot realized that his car will not be sufficient enough to carry all the belongings of Tricky, he just moved away, starting the car. And even then, he could see through the mirror that the servants and Mrs. Pumphrey were in tears, thinking about the poor creature. Now he realized the love of the entire family, including the servants and other people in the family, to Tricky. It was such a wonderful situation he has faced. And then in a sudden, he just had a look at the poor creature which was laying just near to him, just patted on its head, and then it was trying to wag its tail, but it was not easy for the poor creature. Then he said, "You have lost all the energy now. You don't have even the energy to wave your tail. But I know how to give a cure to you." That's what Dr. James Harriot said to the poor creature. Let's see some questions which are given here, which can be answered only after completing the next part of the lesson. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Let's go with the next part to see the answer of these questions. Now, when they reached the surgery or in the clinic, the other household dogs which were there in the clinic, they gathered near or around Tricky. They started sniffing at him. But he could not move. Tricky could not move, that it did not react to the sniffing of the other dogs. It continued for a short while, but in a sudden the other dogs felt that this is not a creature which is of interest to them, and that they stopped sniffing at Tricky and moved back to their work. They got busy with their plays, pranks, and all those things. Dr. James Harriot took an open box to arrange a bed for Tricky and set it near to the other dog's sleeping place. And for the next 2 days, he was not giving much food to Tricky. He was not giving anything as food to Tricky, but was giving plenty of water and was observing the changes happening to Tricky very keenly. As Dr. James Harriot was observing the improvements or changes of Tricky very well, he could understand that by the end of second day, it was starting to react to the surroundings, and by the third day, Tricky started reacting to the other dog sounds. And when Dr. James Harriot opened the door of that room, Tricky started slowly moving out of the room, and it was not like a healthy dog walking, but it was like a rolling. But anyhow, Tricky managed to come out of the room, that the other dogs also started coming into it and playing pranks with it, tried to roll over it. And for a short while, they tried to make him also play with them. But it was very difficult for Tricky to play with them in a sudden. Somehow it tried very well, that after trying for a long time, the other dogs stopped playing pranks with him and moved ahead to the garden near the courtyard. Tricky also started very slowly by rolling on the floor. The next time when Dr. James Harriot observed the improvement of Tricky was during the meal time. When the other dogs were having the meal, actually on the same time, every dogs would be served the meal in their own plates or bowls, and Tricky was not given any bowl till that moment. So all the other dogs were served their meal all the other dogs were trying to have it as early as possible. If any dog kept it behind or made a little bit slow in having their meal, automatically they knew it very well that they are going to be the losers, or some other dogs are going to finish their meals also at the same time. Now it was like a fight going on while the meal time. Now after all the dogs finished their meal and when they went out, now it was the time for Tricky to move near the lunch bowls, the food bowls, and then it started licking on it, which means soon after the other dogs finished their meals, Tricky came near the bowls and started walking around the bowl and licking it. Now that the next day onwards, another bowl was kept for Tricky also. That was a happy moment for Dr. James Harriot, that Tricky's body was getting ready to take something in as food. Now from that moment onwards, Tricky's progress was very rapid. He had no medical treatment. Dr. James Harriot was not giving any medicine to him, but at the same time he was giving proper diet to him along with the playtime with other dogs. Fighting with the other dogs, rolling, playing pranks with them during the daytime, and chasing the rats in the evening or night. He was really busy throughout the day. That made Tricky's body to come back to its healthy condition. One important problem which Dr. James Harriot faced during these days was the continuous phone calls, like a dozen times or more than that. Mrs. Pumphrey was calling James Harriot to know the condition of the poor little lad. She was too much conscious or tensed about the little dog. And James Harriot would deny the questions regarding whether the sheets of Tricky's bed were changed daily, twice or something like that, but at the same time clearly gave an answer to the questions regarding Tricky's health and improvement. When Mrs. Pumphrey knew that Tricky is improving, she started sending 2 dozens of eggs once a day to improve the health of Tricky. And then she started sending wine also. As you can also imagine, Tricky was not being given with any of these kind of food items, but was given with the controlled diet by Dr. James Harriot and his team. At the same time, the food items like the eggs and the wine provided by Mrs. Pumphrey to the Tricky were consumed by James Harriot and his team. The team got really surprised when Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy to give energy to Tricky. Now the days of the team became very luxurious, that they were having an extra egg in the morning and having that much of wine and brandy with their food and before their food. It was really tempting Mr. Harriot to keep Tricky as a permanent guest with him, as he knew the luxurious life which is going to come. But he knew it very well about the feelings of Mrs. Pumphrey, that he called Mrs. Pumphrey and informed that Tricky is perfectly alright at that moment and is ready to be taken back by its mistress. Now Mrs. Pumphrey could not even believe that comment, but at the same time, in a sudden, within the next half an hour, Mrs. Pumphrey was present in the surgery or clinic of Dr. James Harriot in her black car. Even after reaching the surgery, she could not even believe very strongly that Tricky was completely alright. She asked that to Dr. James Harriot. Dr. James Harriot asked Mrs. Pumphrey to sit in the car itself and told them that he would bring Tricky, and went to the garden near the courtyard. Now there was Tricky, a golden colored little creature, healthy enough, was having strong muscles and bones and having its cheek cleaning the ground. It was clearly a healthy dog's appearance that James Harriot just carried out the little creature on his hand, went to Mrs. Pumphrey. In a sudden, when Tricky saw its mistress, it jumped into the lap of its mistress and started showing its gratitude to its mistress, showing the love to its mistress, and they were having that much to share in between. For the past 14 days, they were not meeting each other. James Harriot just had a look at the excitement of Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky, and then went into the surgery, took out all the belongings of Tricky which were not being used on these days, kept them back in Mrs. Pumphrey's car, and then while they were moving back, Mrs. Pumphrey turned back to Dr. James Harriot and thanked him and said that this was a real triumph of surgery. That's all about the lesson. I hope you are clear about the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye.